King of the Jungle, otherwise known as Lion King. This reference is WOA281. Colours to be used are Christmas red, platinum and lime. Now we're not going to decorate any of the lion's face apart from his eyes, and we're literally just going to put not a blob, if we can help it, of just a few little sparkles there. I'm not sure if you could even see. It's just a couple. If necessary, I would do a blob of green and then get a cocktail stick or a paper clip and just dab some there. If there's too much green there, it does look a bit odd. And then with the platinum, we just follow the shape of the crown, the fleur-de-lis. Just do a couple of lines there, and with the red, just a few wiggles to follow the cap of the crown. There we go. So that's a Lion King